Hey guys, my name is John from GBLS USA. So right behind me is our product, the GDR-15. So with our GDR-15, it's unlike any other airsoft rifle or training weapon that you see. So let me show you pretty much the details of what our rifle's like. So our rifle uses the DAS, or the dynamic action system. So what it is unlike anything else out on the airsoft world. So it's an electric rifle that uses a full reciprocating bolt, just like a real AR. Locks back, of course, when it's empty. Bolt catch, everything works just like a real AR. Cool part about our rifle, everything is made in-house. So we pretty much produce the body, the upper, lower, and of course all the internals in the gearbox. Check it out. So everything that we made over here is high quality, top of the line. So everything, all the gears, the gearbox shell, of course, is made out of either a high-end, 7075 aluminum, tool steel for the gears, and of course, the cool part, the bolt itself. Here you go. Looks very similar to a traditional bolt carrier, a BCG. Check out the teeth on that. And of course, drops in just like a real AR, like that. So, just like a real AR, for it to get it up and running, you gotta first charge the handle, just like that, on semi-automatic, and a full auto. And of course, all the cool guy stuff. Pop in an empty mag when you're done shooting, locks back up, chamber check, reload, good to go again. So the GDR-15 is pretty much pre-upgraded out of the box. We have a PDI-inspired 603 Type 4 barrel, and it takes standard AEG inner barrels as well as the standard AEG hop-up buckings. And I'm gonna go over the internals with you right now. So pretty much the internals of the GDR-15, you have like I showed you before, the BCG group with the full steel rag teeth, of course manufactured in-house. Kind of like a VS or 10 style bolt, right, with the piston and the spring right over here. And this is the lower gearbox shell with all the gears, of course, and the mechanical sear. So the trigger, the gearbox itself and the trigger is pretty much a mechanical pull. So whenever you rack back the bolt, the inner piston catches onto this sear that you see right over here. And then whenever you pull the trigger, releases, and of course, does all the cool stuff. Here you go. So like I said, everything is manufactured in-house with top of the line CNC machining. All the gears, as you can tell, is full steel. And these gears are all proprietary. We specially designed these gears so that pretty much if you ever have, like, let's say a double feed or a BB gets stuck or jammed or whatnot, what the rifle will do, it'll actually kick this little clutch over here, and it'll free spin the gears that you see right now. So pretty much when that happens, you'll hear the gears turning, but pretty much it'll prevent the gears from stripping or stripping the teeth on the bolt itself. So all you need to do to reset is just grab that charging handle, rack it back, and you're back to shooting again. It resets the rifle. It looks like a standard AEG motor, but with definitely a lot longer shaft. This is the hop-up unit. Looks very similar to like a Western arm style. The screw over here on the inside of the face is the hop-up adjustment. But like I said, the inner barrel as well as the hop-up bucking is AEG compatible. Now, for SHOT Show, we actually have a prototype magazine that was just made for a SHOT Show itself. Here you go, here's a Smart Mag. So what this Smart Mag does is pretty much if you want to have the GDR-15 at home, you want to practice dry firing, getting the reloads in and stuff like that. Let me show you right now. With our mags too, it is proprietary. It could either load 30 rounds or 60 rounds, and it's made very well. We've been dropping it all day, and whenever we go and play too, you don't have to baby it like a gas mag or put it back in the mag carrier. Just drop it, and you're good to go. So with the Smart Mag, let me show you right now. Pop the Smart Mag in. So what it does is it'll actually calculate and count how many shots and how many trigger pulls you do, or on full auto, count how many times the bolt travels inside the upper, and it'll actually lock the bolt back at around 27 rounds or 30 rounds. Like I said, it's still a prototype. We're still working on perfecting it, but let me show you what I mean. So, right? Locks back. So when that happens, pop out the magazine, pop it back in, hit the bolt catch, and you can keep, shooting, dry firing it. It'll be perfectly fine.